The Fujifilm X-T6 is generating significant anticipation among photographers, videographers, and hybrid content creators, emerging as one of the most compelling entries in Fujifilm's renowned X-T series. Known for merging classic SLR-inspired aesthetics with modern technological innovation, the X-T6 promises to deliver a versatile tool capable of satisfying a wide range of creative demands. Early leaks and insider reports indicate that this mirrorless camera brings substantial refinements in ergonomics, imaging technology, autofocus performance, video functionality, and overall usability. By combining professional-grade features with a compact, thoughtfully designed body, the X-T6 is positioned to serve both traditional photographers and contemporary hybrid shooters seeking maximum flexibility. Continuing the lineage of the X-T series, the Fujifilm X-T6 retains the SLR-inspired design that has defined the line for years. Its body emphasizes tactile control, intuitive handling, and a robust yet manageable form factor. Rather than pursuing a radical redesign, Fujifilm has opted to refine the elements that have consistently resonated with users. The magnesium alloy construction provides both durability and a reassuringly solid feel, without becoming cumbersome during extended shooting sessions. The X-T6's weight distribution has been carefully optimized to accommodate everything from compact prime lenses to larger, professional zoom optics. Enhanced weather sealing across the body allows photographers to confidently capture images in challenging conditions, including rain, dust, or sub-zero temperatures, further underscoring Fujifilm's commitment to professional reliability. Tactile control remains a hallmark of the X-T6. Classic dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation remain at the forefront of the design, but have been subtly refined for smoother operation and a more satisfying tactile response. This ensures that adjustments can be made quickly and accurately without the risk of unintended changes. The camera grip has been redesigned to offer a deeper, more secure hold, particularly when pairing the X-T6 with heavier lenses. Despite these enhancements, the camera retains a compact footprint, maintaining the iconic X-T series form factor that balances comfort and portability. The rear LCD of the Fujifilm X-T6 has undergone a significant upgrade. The camera now reportedly features a fully articulating, vari-angle display with higher resolution and enhanced touch responsiveness, ideal for vloggers, hybrid creators, and photographers shooting from unconventional angles. Complementing this is a redesigned electronic viewfinder EVF with a 5.76 million OLED panel and faster refresh rate, ensuring smoother subject tracking and a more immersive shooting experience. These updates are particularly beneficial for fast-action photography, providing photographers with immediate visual feedback and accurate framing, even during dynamic scenarios. Central to the X-T6 is its new 40.2-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor. Coupled with Fujifilm's X-Processor 5, this sensor delivers remarkable resolution, impressive dynamic range, and accurate color reproduction. The improved sensor architecture supports fast image processing and low-latency performance, crucial for high-speed shooting and challenging lighting environments. The increase in resolution allows for greater cropping flexibility, detailed prints, and sharp images approaching full-frame quality. With excellent dynamic range, photographers can preserve both highlight and shadow detail in complex scenes, making the X-T6 a capable tool for professional workflows that demand fidelity and flexibility. Low-light performance is another area where the X-T6 is expected to shine. Its back-illuminated sensor design maximizes light-gathering efficiency, delivering clean images at ISO 6400 and usable results even at ISO 12800. This makes flash-free photography in dimly lit environments, such as weddings, indoor sports, or nighttime urban scenes, more achievable without sacrificing image quality. Combined with Fujifilm's proprietary X-Trans color filter array, the X-T6 reduces the risk of moire and false colors, even in the absence of an optical low-pass filter. Fujifilm's signature color science ensures that tones remain vibrant, accurate, and aesthetically pleasing across a wide range of shooting scenarios, from scenic landscapes to portraiture. The Fujifilm X-T6 benefits greatly from the extensive Fujinon lens lineup. From compact primes to professional telephoto zooms, the X-T6 integrates seamlessly with Fujifilm optics, allowing photographers to tackle a wide variety of subjects. The X-T6 also retains full support for Fujifilm's film simulation modes, a defining feature of the X-T series. Classic options such as Provia, Velvia, Astia, Classic Chrome, and Eterna remain available, with the addition of Realer Ace providing a cinematic palette that balances natural contrast and color vibrancy. These simulations allow photographers and videographers to achieve distinctive looks straight out of the camera, reducing post-processing requirements while maintaining creative control. White balance and color reproduction have reportedly been improved in the X-T6 through AI-assisted algorithms that intelligently adjust to varying or mixed light sources. This ensures consistent, accurate color in both indoor and outdoor settings, a feature particularly valuable for hybrid shooters who frequently encounter changing lighting conditions. Combined with extensive in-camera controls, including tone curves, shadows/highlight adjustments, color depth settings, and grade effects, the X-T6 empowers creators to craft personalized visual styles with precision and efficiency. Autofocus performance in the Fujifilm X-T6 represents a significant leap forward. The camera incorporates AI-driven subject recognition capable of identifying and tracking people, animals, birds, and vehicles with high accuracy. Eye and face detection are optimized for both fast action and low-light scenarios, ensuring reliable focus even in challenging conditions. The autofocus system reportedly covers the entire frame, granting photographers the freedom to compose shots without worrying about focus limitations. High-speed continuous shooting has also improved, with burst rates up to 15 frames per second using the mechanical shutter and 20 frames per second electronically, while rolling shutter artifacts have been minimized. These capabilities make the X-T6 an effective tool for action photography, sports, wildlife, and other scenarios where timing and accuracy are critical. Ergonomics and workflow have also been thoughtfully refined. The X-T6 features a streamlined menu system with a customizable Q menu for rapid access to frequently used settings. Analog-inspired dials and buttons maintain tactile feedback. The Fujifilm X-T6 exemplifies the company's philosophy of blending classic design with innovation. It delivers speed, precision, and creative flexibility while preserving the tactile experience that has made the X-T line so beloved. Whether capturing high-speed action, sweeping landscapes, cinematic video, or everyday scenes, the X-T6 provides a robust, future-proof solution for photographers and videographers alike. By bridging traditional aesthetics and modern technology, the Fujifilm X-T6 solidifies its position as one of the most versatile and compelling APS-C cameras available, offering professional performance in a compact and elegant form factor that inspires creativity across all types of visual storytelling.